Ibaya nuntu boko inambere kwa iwetu icho kagira kaire muri wa Meru TV na kagita karatu ya nambere kwa tukiridagiria marama ethiritwe magikirwa urito ndeni ya ngatheti ino cietu na ingatheti ire ciina ngono kathumba tu tukainambere kwa iwetu tukiridagiria cio ndeni na ngatheti ya The Daily Nation na gao gonjerani yakwa ndi na ngatheti ya The Standard njerani yakwa kinyayo na ngono kathumba tu na twambagiria guchikunurira ngikuririkanagia ati benda tuchikunura ukionaga leo nkwiraga kunura ukionaga kengoti kaugiari mwana oyuma ikamenyerie akoya na ngatheti chekiume kithiru gutwira bura kwari bwega sana ndina ngatheti ya The Daily Nation murithiri wa Meru TV na ingatheti ira nkona yina ngono kathumba tu ira ciethiritwe ikinambara kwigikagirwa urito na rugono rwankona rwikiritwo urito bunene sana agawone rugono rwa mutumiki kana Pastor Spain for 20 million got gifted by Ruto pastor ethiritwe ikinambara kwa ikundwa milioni kibau na arende kwerekana urururu nyuma ya ukundwa mbecha ino. Jesus Winners Ministry founder Edward Mwai nethiritwe kinambere kwigwa kioragwa biuria kumani na mbecha ino athiritwe kinambere kwigwa kinenkagirwo kanisani yake milioni kibao na irugono rwano thiritwe kerwa bantu anene karatatini gatuna na kinya karatatini gatutano ndeni ya ngatheti ino ya The Daily Nation murithiri wa Meru TV na bobo olichi bariaga ogubara bethiritwe bakirumanga andiki banthetu karatatini gatwiri tukethera nthetu inuogo karatatini gatatu ni kurubaingikana abaingi bapolisi baririkana baritayaga bena miaka 38 rugono rwa kome na agambithania baraba iguru irwandikiritwe kinyaru ngatheti-ini ino tukainambere kwigwa tukiruragithagiria karatatini gatwiri utakagita mono student shot down by police officers sparkling project form 4 student na ritoba form 4 na araka mukonji Ramadan baadhi na mbele kwigwa Bakir Radhawa was shot in the head on Tuesday night after leaving a mosque with friends. Ritoba bambio, ritoba na haraka mukonji. Ramadhan bede ritoba kinambere kwa Bakir Radhawa biongo njugo ya Jumanne ugoro kana utugo. Nyuma ya kumanara mosque nibe na achoreka nara witawata mosque. Movie era nara Islam barombagira na chore bae kurikana akarima majengo nara Nairobi bede tubakinambere ko bakimanageria bwithaba polisi nuntu bwako inambere ko bakirwa ya karekaere nara bede tubakinambere ko bakiringithanagwa na mburagano cia Ibrahim Ramadan oragikuya yake kiathia nambere ko kionekanaga bwana nuntu bwakurathwa mulakorwa mwana wa miaka 17 na orano form 4 student mutu kirachia form 4 na haraka mukunji secondary school athia nambere kwa kirathwa wa kiongo ntugo ya Jumanne utugo nyuma yake na chore bake kwa nambere kwa bakiuma garuka na arora mosque kana na arora itawatende mosque moskiti nyuma yake na chore bae kuthora bakiumagruka na ara moskitini ni aririkana thia nambere kwigwa gikuya mathaa makaitu nyuma ya kura ndani ya chibitari kagitakara polisi nao bathia nambere kwa by claim that the incident occurred during a drug bust. Residents said it was a case of an exort plan gone early. Locals who spoke to the Nation yesterday accused the officers who shot Ramadan of being notorious for taking bribes at a hall where drug peddlers sell bang. Karikariri dhiritu kinambere kwa kimenagirwa bantu anene ni akariba gontuku na ana wabaulichi bele tubakinambere kwa bakithe tagira na kugati boba adira na mtu wa bangi kana kwendia ndawa ino kagita kana bo akadi bethete bakiugare ubu karatonto bwale bo banga ni karatati ni gatu ino rugono rururi ko umagaro ko thinambire ko keuranga beti yaku no kebonera rugono karatati ni karatwire na aratu kuona inde abitha babodishi bethete bakinambire kwigwa bakirumanga andiki bandetu korikana andiki bandetu tabanogu muthenya wego bathie nambire kwigwa batwika rust na kurumangwa bainambere kwigwa bagichwagero giti na kurumangwa ne bolisi na arante che majengo muthenya wegoro kagitakara bakavaga the wretches that rocked the area following the killing of teenagers on Tuesday evening by an officer base at Majengo police post kagitakara bathie nambere kwa baikava ndeto ino chumaniti na gikukia ana baba ndakuthomeraga Ntubu bathie nambere kwa bukiumagira mathani mathenya cherukiri kagitakara andiki ndeto Nation Media bathie nambere kwigwa National Media Group bathie nambere kwa baikinyaga na nkale yao ready to hand back to their office baba batonguru ni Frinda Okechi Dennis Onsongo Wamboi Kuruma na ndereba wao bathie nambere kwigwa noticed a freelance journalist being harassed and started filming the incident. Bathie nambere kwa bakithira mwandiki ndeto wa kwandikira nyomba chionde ndeto akithira nambere kwithirwa agichwagirwo giti na bai nambere kwigwa bakembagiria kuthukia ndeto ino. This is when a group of 7 GSC officers realized their actions and had been captured, rushed to the vehicle shouting at the NMG crew to stop filming and immediately delete the footage. While this was happening, another star newspaper photojournalist, Enos Eteche, who was just a few meters from the NMG vehicle, was being prevented from taking photos. GSU officers blocked his path, and another one must raise the button above his hand, shouting at him to leave the scene. Ni hima karika mama tarere tu agobora bitha baba bathie nambere kwigwa bakiara ciandiki bandeto muthenya woro kagita okava rugono runda nambere kwa ni kuthomagiraga karatati ni wagatwire karatati ni gatutatu karere tibura polisi baraba nene ba kurubathia nambere kwigwa bakiritaya bari baithi kana bari banini bakirekana most of the senior police women kana abitha ba polisi bara bari iguru sana abitha ba polisi bara bari iguru sana na bara ni kuru bainge ba baririkana baritayaga bena miaka 38 karatati ya 3 akukena ngono inu murithiria wa Meru TV karatati ya 4 ni ora mabasta bena oru nuntu bo shilingi milioni kibao kuinambere kuikinenkanagirwa ni raisi na aratu kuona Jesus Winners Ministry founder Edward Mwai that akinambere dumped a phone number he has earned for more than 15 years after endless calls mostly from angry youth demanding answers on 20 million shillings donated by President William Ruto jammed the onset. Neither the harrowing confession that men of the cloth airing from sailors looking to turn the new leaf, nor the delicate situations that pastors at times refused could have prepared Mr. Moy and his wife Agnes from the wrath of the young people not happy with President Ruto's 20 million pledge and promise to gather another 100 million for the church. Ibiribia bia kinambere kwa bikiora uende kumane na chiringi ino milioni kibao kuvinambere kuikinenkagerwa na araka ni chani ino ya Jesus Winners Ministry na aramba mbele bia kwa kinambere kwa bikiora gebiuria kumane na mbecha ino na timba mbele ya kikinya tumekibange kana mabasta bange na kinya mwingi bia tunambere kwa bikiora ya biuria kumane na mbecha ino na mbecha ino ni bangi bali nuntu chiringi milioni 20 ya dia nambere kwa wikinenkanagwa ni raisi na achoka thiuga akachwa chingi igana milioni 1 2 3 4 igana bachini tumba ko yeto magro kurudha mantu mange kana maybe kwa ikanisa ikanenkero kinyama kanisa mange nambi ni kengo ko inambara ko yete ragiri kayita ni maguru ala ko kana ko na guntu irachi bi chukuru chitena irachi you know gwete mauma mantu mama kubatara kwinambira kwa makira gerwa Deroche County ya Kiambu ile agauka 35 Rethera Meru TV ko magakoka ya urangathiti questionable 73 billion in the budget. Treasury now admits. Treasury has finally admitted that questionable 73 billion was included in the budget policy statement that was submitted on the National Assembly. Letter dated February 25th sent to the National Assembly. The National Treasury has sought to amend the budget document by reducing 73 billion. The Treasury Cabinet Secretary John Badi explained that the 73 billion was on account of the Social Health Insurance Fund shift, which was included in the ministerial expenditures under the State Department of Medical Service. Ni ndatuirachi ya mbecha mantu makona kigina 73 billion ila chithiri kinambara kwigwa ile kiri treasury kana ile kiri chikiretwo kiri mantu mama ke na rende cabinet secretary wa mantu mama mbecha John Badi kana mantu makigina John Badi eletwa kinambara kwa kibai no mambecha no chikiro lakini akithetera kuate imantu maingi muno makubatara kurethero muno mantu mara mashif na mama yethete magitema ntubogwe bokigete kabumbi karatini gatunana kwena pending bills 268 billion in pending bills is unsupported. Committee chaired by former Auditor General has cleared 206 billion for payment. Kwena pending bills simbingi sana itethire tukinambira kuikire hawa naende icho chire tukinambira kwigwa iki aragirwa aho karatatini gatuna na murethirie wa Meru TV kogu kumagoko kainambira ko kibonagira ndeto ino chionde Karatini ya Economy Ministry has been plagued by negative publicity as a result of failure of SHA. Mantu masha methe makera girwa karatini ya Economy arakawa kwerekana tipped for held docket in cabinet shake-up. President William Ruto is reportedly planning a major shake-up in the health docket, which could see Cabinet Secretary Bora Malongo and one of the principal secretaries reshuffled. The docket has been plagued by negative publicity, largely due to discontent and failure of the Social Health Authority, SHA. Other significant changes at the cabinet and principal secretary levels are also expected as the president seeks to accommodate more allies of opposition leader Raila Odinga. This comes as Dr. Ruto's running United Democratic DA and Mr. Odinga Origi prepare to sign a political pact which sources indicate could happen as early as Friday. Kulerekana ministry ino ya ugima no ginambira kwekine nkagiro mutai kawe no ntubwa muina inora wethire tokionekana muno wa mantu mama SHA na ara kwerekana orore ku cabinet secretary ende Debora Malonza Debra Barasa kwerekana muna principal secretary wakainwa bali nambere kwigwa bayichenche no ugaruku bwabumba ko bokreka ebiete mono ru Friday ebiete mono ru na inaro kwerekana ende kwena kinyachore bangi bomba kwego bagia accommodate ondeni cabinet no muno barabo mite na arutero wa ODM kumane na onyanya barabo kuonekana buri obwa ODM na UDA kwa wene tena no wewe dokegwa if you treat those diseases normally it will treat you abnormally ntiika yuko kurekana kagita karaka COVID mutaikawe no are the talk of the town ukiingia kwa bar unakunywa moja, ukitoka hapo unaingia ingine unakunywa moja, ukiingia ingine unakunywa moja trade mono lakini na watirite bantwane na mantu mama konenie na health na kogu inde na kwerekana aomba kuinambara kwigwa agichokagwa ndeni ya docket ino ndo wanarwa karatini ya 10 muri the Meru TV kogu magaruko kaina mbere kwibuke bonagira ndatino chionde. Ruto offers hospital pay deal to end SHA boycott. President William Ruto has directed the immediate payment of all hospital owned up to 10 million by the now defecting Health Insurance Fund (NHF). The government wants to address a growing health crisis. Private hospitals have been boycotting the Social Health Authority (SHA), leaving dozens of patients stranded as they demand upfront payment for medical service. The president acknowledged that the government inherited a creeping NHF debt of that 3 billion following its dissolution on November. Agani President William Ruto the kinambere kwegwa akiuga kana kiatha cibitari cionthe kana that all hospital owned up to 10 million by the defunction NHF to be paid as thought to address crisis in health sectors. But chiondire chile kinambere kwegwa marando mama yadhime yetu makinambere kwa metuwa ni NHF inambere kwa makiriawa na mununkuru kiraisi ya kinambere kwegwa kile tagira mubango wa SHA akiwa kainambere kwa getethagia abantu anene Kenya to pay part in risk for new TB vaccine Kenya bakainambere ndiko bakiriagira ndawa cia TB kumania na Trump kuinambere kwegwa akiruthata kumania na Trump kuinambere kwegwa akirungika mutaratara wa kunenkanira uteithio ndeni ya nthiguru cia Afrika. Imbiano kuona Meru ile aogo Ministry of Education State Department for Basic Education County-based dialogue on education quality and learning outcome in Kenya. Kurikana State Department of Basic Education has organized a national county-based dialogue focusing on the quality of education and learning outcome under the complete-based education CBE. Kwina rwari ruru kainambere kwegwa rukiruthikira. The meeting will be held in all 47 counties from March 7 to March 13. Kwina rwari ruru kainambere kwa ruri ogo kuma tariki mwanja mwanka tariki 13 yeni ndeni ya county chionde rakwariria mantu makonenie na kithomo kiri county chionde. County ya Meru rwari ruru kaigwa rukiruthikirite na arachukuru ya Meru School na kewele tariki 10 tariki 10 mweri uyu wa ithatu na ikethirwa iruthikite na arora cukuruni ya Meru School kogu endi inorwariro rwatongoria bo bakainambere kwa bakiruthia rwariro rwago ero kwariria mantu ma CBE. County ngiri ku county ya Meru tukwariria county ya Embu rwaruru karuthikira na Kangaru Boys High School tariki 12 tariki 12 mweri-ini woyo. County ya Isiolo rwaruru karuthikira na Waso Secondary tariki 12 mweri-ini woyo. County ya Tharaka Nithi rwaruru karuthikira na Chuka Girls tariki 11 mweri uyu wa ithatu. Chuka Girls Chuka Girls nere kwengi Makueni karuthikira Makueni Boys tariki 12 tariki 12 ntika kwena counting inda atigao Kitui rukathikira na Kitui Multipurpose Hall tariki 11 Kitui Multipurpose Hall tariki 11 Kirinyaga rukathikira na Kirogoya Girls tariki 11 Kirogoya Girls tariki 11 Nyeri togane Nyeri Primary no rukainambere kwegwa ruthikagira Marsabit ni Marsabit rukathikira Moi Girls tariki 10 na ngwitiga Machakos bakegwa People's Park tariki 7 People's Park tariki 7 mbu rero kainambere kwegwa rukiruthaga ugu kogu baraba gusika bakainambere kwa bake joinaga ngono raje yemuri wandikire twaga ugu ngono ile cia karaya karatati ni 14 kogu murithiria ukainambere kwa kibu magiria ukagura ngathiti akukona rono karatati ya 16 ni mantu makoni na uoni ni imoma leo kartati ya 17 bado ni maoni mathitu na mbere kwa makiandikagirwa ogu maoni kartati ya 18 advert kartati ni kauka thingatirite advert ndinge mono mantu ma discount ile chethire ile okire wende bointo mwanya ndere che biashara ino chande chandikirtwago kumera utokathongira ndani ya Ndeto Chia county news the 5 Siaya women who died in doomed gold hunt kwina kurbaba ya goba kurikana bakwire bwana Akinyi Aoko Aluoch Atieno and Akach were buried alive in Lumba mine on Monday. Ntuya Jumatatu bwana baadhi ya nambere kwegwa bake thikawa bai muoyo nontu bwambi ni rani rere athi ya nambere kwa rekio mkaweka ntuya Jumatatu idhanire dha 10 na mwa wichi ya kiogoro gikundi kia kuruba 5 embarked on a money chasing venture that and become a routine digging for gold at Lumba gold mining site in Ralieda, Siaya County. Kurubaya kuba magarakite bathiite kuthi kwenja dhahabu ira bathiritwe bakinja kana rithiritwe routine rwago kwenja dhahabu ino nara county ya Siaya nara ndio kurekana unknown to them that it was their last day oku nara bathie na mbere kwegwa bagikabawa ni kirandi kina bai na mbere kwegwa bagikuyaga rugono rokia basana kirendero cha county rugono rwandikirĩtwo karatatini ga 19 murithiria wa Meru TV ko magarugo kai na mbere kwegwa kiguraga ngathiti yaku rwonere rugono rurugwa rwithiritwo kina mbere kwegwa rukiandikagirwa agago kwa mapana na marefu ni kwa mapana na marefu kumira agu ni Ndeto Chia mantu makona property mantu makona nina ntobianto Ndeto Chia ki manthiguru ili agago Ndeto Chia ki biashara ili agago advert bado ili agago Ndeto Chia baraba totigite ili agago na of course Ndeto Chia michetho chia inambere kwegwa ikirigagiria na agago nyuma koguo kagura ngatheti ino kaina mbere kwigwo kibonagira ndeto ino chiombe ngatheti ya The Standard kinyayo ina ngono wataino mantu makonenie na ugima mali letu ndeni ngatheti ino ndeto ira mbingite ira tetu ina mbere kwa tukira ithaga ungi ndeto ira chia majengo ili agao karatatini gatwire ndiyo yengi nkona yandikiritwa kweli nkona athingatiba Raila mbethiritwe bakigunika bantu anene kumane na itebia kana atwanya twa akariri iti mwanya na ndeni ya bunge nyuma ya athingatiba Gachagua gukikwa out yani kuone kwerwa inje ni omeni inje kuina mbere kwigwa bakiruta wandeni ya committee health CS Baraza pen to explain Auditor General Shah bombshell waziri wa ugima endene atheretwa kinambere kwa kibaraga abantu echege kwereseria kana kutariria imbi yoyo ngweta kuthibwega ndeni ya mutatara oyo wa Shah urawetheretwa kinambere kwa giukagia biuria kithumba ni kumania na mutari madhabu mathirikari ruto in dilemma after parliament reject Raila's path to top seat raisi ende tiko menya karada atari na dilemma nyuma ya parliament kuinambere kwa kiregana na Raila's path kana kajira karaira kagiti kiri iguru Chebukati keen friends eulogize him as a honest mukora ni mukaririgitiwa wa kiama kia kamiti ndugamirithwa na mianka IBC Wafula Chebukati ni atheretwa kinambere kwegwa akiwetwa ta muntu ari muntu omukiru kinambere kwegwa akikathwa nuntu bwangugira atheretwa kinambere kwegwa akirutaga Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen atheretwa kiuga thirikari nitangeta shilingi milioni 40 kuinambere kwikandana na mafuriko Murkomen wethiritwe akinambere kuigwa akieresera ndeto ino. Sudan Parliamentary Group open to talk on parallel government Ndi Sudan ethiritwe akinambere kwekiruguragia arwariro kwaraniria na thirikari ngono kathumba twire o muthenya wa gorera ntugo ya Ash Wednesday ntugo ya wakwa mu baraba ndini akathoreki wa kumenya Ash Wednesday ntugo ya wakwa mu ni nara akathoreka athingati badini no bathie na mbere kuigwa bakiebu magira makanisa na kuibe nonto bwa itawa kwaresima kana itawata ini we ichendo chidhe tukiarirwa karatati ngia 13 na aranko na thingati kana tongole mwana bandini no ya Catholic bethe tubakina mbere kwa bakiromba wedo na ngwataniro ngono kathumba ile ndene ngatheti no mureithirie kubura kwa rutha no kaumagaruka uthio gura ngatheti no ndu batha alafu kengo kaina mbere kwa kimenyaga imbi yoyongwa yethiritwe yekirwa urito ndeni ya ngatheti no kawithoni ubambitira ni family zo Kimathi nkatho tuche mwanya no twa kuina mbere kwaigwa uraithite mubango wetu mubango huu ni turinge ime ndeni ya TV ya kwewe ndeti ya Meru TV na tukaina mbere kwaigwa tukiendelea tu nyuma kaita kuraya minyothi kuraya. Good morning.